welcome back to the channel. We are the Wandering Wilds and I'm Mark.
And I'm Debbie.
And in this video you're going to see us head down to the New Forest, and the first site we start is Red Chute Camping.
Red Chute Campsite is a lovely site, isn't it?
A really nice site, yeah. If you've never stayed there, seriously watch this video. It will show you all around the site and what it's really like.
You literally, I mean, if you cross over the road from the campsite and the pub, there's a really lovely walk into the woods, isn't there?
Yeah, loads of walks in that area around the New Forest. That's one of the reasons why we really like it, isn't it?
Yeah. So, yeah, watch the video. Let us know what you think. Speak soon. Bye for now. Coming into the campsite now. We've got a shop on the right here, which is brilliant because you can order your daily paper. You can order croissants, pain au chocolat and stuff like that for the morning.
Got a bread.
And as you come in, you basically see all these lovely flowers. There's a children's play over on the left, which is really nice, and they've got it screened with plants, which I think is a good idea.
Big sunflowers. There we go, there's the kiddies play area. So when you first arrive, you need to stay in the vehicle. You don't leave the vehicle, and the guys in there are absolutely fantastic. They will come straight out to you to give you a welcome pack, which we'll show you soon. And then literally they will walk in front of you and show you to the pitch. Now I thought this site was going to be really small when we came in, so it only looks it from the outside.
It is big.
But it is, and we'll just give you a little look from here. Quite a big site. And here comes one of the wardens who's just walked somebody off down to the site.
No, it's a very nice site, and it's well, the amenities are good.
Yep.
So you've got your basically your sinks and stuff for people with tents. You've got your toilets. Behind the men's toilets is the cassette empty, which I don't do. And behind the women's toilets is the washing machines. And
see, that makes perfect sense, doesn't it? Washing machines behind the ladies' toilets for the ladies to do all the washing. Toilets behind the men's, because we all know it's those blokes that do all the toilet emptying. So that's in that side. So there we go.
There's a view of the campsite over there.
There we go, you get a bit better idea of the campsite there. And what I like about this campsite, and we'll just show you now, if you come around the campsite, it's got these great little areas. You can see one just in front of us there, where you kind of go through the hedge, and there's like a smaller area with just a few tents or vans in it.
Yeah.
We got that area there.
So it's not just like one big open field, it's great. There's little sort of offset bits. Kind of keeps the chaos down. Doesn't it?
It does.
There's some lovely people.
So there we go.
Here.
I'll show you through. Trying to give you a really good tour of Red Chute, because if you are thinking of coming here, honestly, it's an absolutely fantastic site. Definitely in my top 10. Don't know about you.
That's only because the pub's in there.
That's because the pub's right there.
And I've
Perfect
had too many
though,
wines.
Isn't it absolutely perfect though, that if you want to go camping, you stay on a campsite, you've got a pub right on the doorstep.
Yeah.
So turn you back around again.
For you.
You can see this little area, which would hold, I don't know, how many would you say, 5 or 6 in here?
6 in here, I reckon, maybe.
Like
over there. And then also to the back as well. There's some at the back that we found last night, wasn't there?
Are we going down that way?
Yeah, we'll go down that way.
Let's go right the way around and we'll show you, so that if you're thinking of coming here, you can see exactly what it's like. Now we're here in September, and it's really busy, isn't it?
Yeah.
What with lockdown and everything like that.
We've had a few people leave today because it's Sunday.
So yeah, I wouldn't try. I wouldn't just turn up on the doorstep. Definitely give them a booking, yeah.
Yeah, got a book.
We didn't book through the pub, did we? We just booked direct.
Yeah, we just booked direct. Go to the website, Red Chute.
So again, you get 4 units in here.
I think this is probably non-hookup tents, isn't it?
Yeah, probably like tents. There's no electric hookup points that we can see, but it's a lovely little area. Now back onto the main part of the campsite. In fact, if you want to cut through there.
Yeah.
We'll cut through this a little bit.
It smells lovely here. People got food cooking.
Yeah, someone's cooking food. You know, someone with a nice big tent there. Got the barbecue on. Oh, somebody fell in the water. Just come through the gap. Lovely little area here. This, I think, This is the top end, isn't it? This is where we're just down on the back. So mostly see tents. I don't think there's any hook up at this point.
Well,
but
I think there is, because there's a motorhome there, isn't there?
yeah, at that end, not at that end.
Yeah,
so you can start to see some electric cables along the fence.
Oh yeah. You get muddy paths because it's all gravel.
Yeah, some nice gravel. And it's been really dry. We haven't seen any rain.
I love this little caravan, whatever it is.
Yeah, we're going to show you something.
One.
We've never seen this before.
It's cute.
Barefoot,
it's called Barefoot.
Barefoot?
Yeah.
What a great little
so
caravan.
Cute.
Never seen anything like that before. Tiny.
It's gorgeous, isn't it?
Anyway, as we come back up this driveway, then you can see it branches off again, and it goes into this area, and again they seem to have tents in here. There is an electric hookup point for this field, everyone's plugged into there. So the campsite, what they've done is they've actually put longer cables in from the points. So they've got electric around there.
And they've got a nice view.
Empty field there. Yeah, stunning view up there. And coming back into the main site, this is where we are, just down here. And they've got little shepherd's huts as well, haven't they? We saw in one of them this morning.
£80 a night they are. I had a look on the website. They're called the Bossies or something.
Let's go and have a look, just in case anyone's curious who's watching it.
You can't see inside.
There you go, that's back up the site, so looking straight over at the top.
To the pub.
If you can see, that is the pub and the shop. So we've gone right the way around that side, coming back up. And here we go. Here's little shepherd's huts you can stay in. How cool are they? Let's see, I don't know if you're going to be able to see anything. See if we can get a little look through the window. Might not work, because it probably just shine back. But you should be able to see a kitchen and a bedroom in there. But you can see all the information on these online. There's another one there.
And here we are back at the van.
So the pitch, I like this pitch. I like this type of pitch because not only have we got hard standing,
We've got
gravel, and we've got a good bit of side space with gravel. So we've got our awning out there. Then we've got the grass area as well. So I was talking to you before about the electric. The electric pole is here. When we arrived, the guy basically ran this cable from this point here, and he brought the cable all the way around this pitch, all the way around, and even though I had a cable long enough with me, you put the socket there for us to plug into. Now I would recommend that, just in case I suppose you're going to get one of these pitches that's quite far away from the pole and plugged into one of these, is probably getting a waterproof cover for that. I wouldn't be happy with that sat in the rain. But what a sight, guys. Morning people, if you've just joined us, we are taking the dogs for a good walk.
They're taking me actually.
Yeah, you can see there.
Look at the poo.
They're literally pulling us down the road, all excited. So we've just come out the campsite, and literally we've just come out the campsite, turn right, and we're on our way down to see what we can find in the New Forest. Here we go.
Hopefully there'll be somewhere where we can let them off soon, because they're driving me mad.
Yeah, fingers crossed we can find somewhere to let them have a good blast. You can see and you can hear. They're all excited.
Wide awake, another night, all alone, fighting off the memories of everything you've said. Tidal wave, the brightest light, feeling like the ghost of you would keep me up the rest of my damn life. If you're gone, then I can't go on. I swore you'd be here to stay, holding on to make it one more day. Must be another way. Now you're free and I'm free falling. You never look back, holding on to make it one more day. Must be another way.
dogs. Straight in the water.
In the water. Full film of this.
Must be another way. I thought I meant something to you. Maybe I just wasted my time. I thought I meant something to you. Maybe I just wasted my time. I thought I meant something to you. Maybe I just wasted my time. If you're gone and I can't go on, I swore you'd be here to stay, holding on to make it one more day. Must be another way. Now you're free and I'm free falling. You never look back, holding on to make it one more day. One more day. Must be another way. Must be another way. Must be another way. I thought I meant something to you.
Good morning, time for us to leave Red Chute camping. What a great sight. You're coming down to stay in the New Forest. Honestly, make sure you check this place out. We'll show you a video of it. Give us a couple of minutes and I'll just show you the exit out of Red Chute camping. Alright guys, here we go. And this is the last look for us at Red Chute camping. We were down here for just 2 days. Time for us to move on to somewhere else in the New
Take the
Forest.
next left, then take the next right.
But what a great sight, honestly. If you really are coming down to the New Forest, check out Red Chute camping. This is the way out past reception. You can see all the bins and that there where we've already done our little jobs and put all our rubbish out. But the guys in reception as well, really, really helpful. Can't fault the place, really can't. So this is us now back coming out over the speed bumps, over the cattle grid, and then this area is the car park for the pub. Now the pub is closed on a Monday, so if you wanted to get in on a Monday you've got no chance, but there, just turn you around, there's the
Take the
Red
next
Chute.
left, then take the next right.
That's it guys, we'll catch up with you a bit when we arrive at the next one. Hello, welcome back to our channel, The Wandering Wilds. I'm Mark,
I'm Debbie.
and in this video you're going to see us head down to the New Forest. There's 2 sites we stayed on at the New Forest. The first one is the one we're going to show you now, which is Red Chute camping.
Red Chute campsite. God! And we are the Wandering Wilds, as you know, if you've been following us. Stats are doing really well, aren't they?
Yeah, we do really well.
Almost
for our
gone
first
viral.
video. Yeah, almost
135 views.
almost went viral. 135 views,
We're nearly there.
8 subscribers and about 10 thumbs up. So yeah, get down there. Don't forget, make sure you leave us a comment, press the subscribe button. Oh, it's right down there.
That sounds rude.
Just because you're a
Cut.
pervert.
We've gone viral. Yeah. We're just waiting for Mark's uncle in Australia to wake up to tip us over the edge. We've got 135 views. So thanks everybody. Hope you did the thumbs up and everything. got a fly in here. Get rid of
More
that.
problems.
Cut.
Cut.
Must be we were good for a while, weren't we? Tell me I'm not losing it. I've already lost you.